What does equitable distribution mean for marital debt? Imagine sorting through a pile of shared belongings after a marriage ends. Now picture doing the same with debts that both spouses owe. That's where equitable distribution comes into play. It's a legal principle used in many states to decide how to fairly divide assets and debts during a divorce. Unlike splitting everything down the middle, equitable distribution aims for fairness based on each spouse's situation. When it comes to debts, this means the court looks at who is responsible for each debt and whether both spouses benefited from it. For example, if one spouse took out a credit card for a joint vacation, both might be responsible. But if one spouse racked up a large credit card bill without the other's knowledge, the court might assign more of that debt to the responsible person. The court considers several factors before making a decision. They look at how long the marriage lasted, how much each spouse contributed financially, and each person's ability to pay. They also examine who benefited from the debt and the current financial situation of both spouses. It's important to keep detailed records of all debts. This includes bank statements, loan agreements, and receipts. Proper documentation helps the court decide which debts are marital and how they should be divided. Sometimes spouses agree on a plan for dividing debts through a separation agreement. This can be more flexible and save time compared to a court ruling. In some cases, a spouse might have incurred debt before marriage or received it as a gift or inheritance. These are usually considered separate property and are not divided as marital debt unless they have been mixed with joint assets. Ultimately, equitable distribution does not mean debts are split equally. Instead, the goal is to divide them fairly based on each spouse's circumstances. If one spouse earned more or has a better ability to pay, the court may assign a larger share of the debt to the other. This approach helps ensure that neither spouse is unfairly burdened with debts they did not benefit from or contribute to. Understanding how debts are divided can help you prepare for the divorce process. Being organized and clear about your financial situation makes it easier to reach a fair agreement or present your case in court. Remember, the focus is on fairness, not necessarily equality, so each situation is unique.